What if you could explore the fashion capital of the world, stand on the rooftop of a breathtaking Gothic cathedral, admire one of Leonardo da Vinci's greatest masterpieces, and escape to one of Italy's most beautiful lakes all in one trip? Welcome to Milan, Italy. In this video, we're counting down the top 5 tour and activities you simply can't miss when visiting this incredible city. Welcome back to the channel, your guide to the world's most amazing cities and unforgettable travel experiences. Today, we're exploring Milan. Whether it's your first visit or you're returning to discover more. Number 1. Duomo di Milano and Rooftop Tour. The Duomo di Milano is the symbol of Milan and one of the most spectacular Gothic cathedrals in the world. Step inside to admire its stunning stained glass windows, towering columns, and beautiful architecture before heading to the rooftop terraces. From here, you'll enjoy incredible panoramic views across Milan and even the Alps on clear days while walking among hundreds of detailed marble spires and statues. Tickets with rooftop access usually cost between $25 and $45 per person, making this an unforgettable experience. 2. Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II and City Walking Tour. Just steps from the Duomo lies the elegant Galleria Vittorio Emanuele II, one of the world's oldest and most luxurious shopping galleries. Walk beneath its magnificent glass dome while discovering designer boutiques, historic cafes, and beautiful architecture. Most city walking tours also include Piazza della Scala and the famous La Scala Opera House, offering fascinating stories about Milan's history and culture. Guided tour generally cost between $20 and $50 per person, while entry to the Galleria itself is completely free. 3. Leonardo da Vinci's The Last Supper Tour. No visit to Milan is complete without seeing Leonardo da Vinci's masterpiece, The Last Supper. Located inside the Church of Santa Maria del Grazie, this world-famous painting is one of Italy's greatest artistic treasures. Because visitor numbers are limited each day, booking in advance is highly recommended. Guided tour explain the incredible history, symbolism, and restoration of this masterpiece. Prices usually range from $45 to $90 per person, depending on availability and tour options. 4. Lake Como Day Trip. If you have an extra day, take a trip to the breathtaking Lake Como, one of Italy's most beautiful destinations. Cruise across crystal-clear waters, admire elegant villas, and visit charming lakeside towns such as Bellagio and Varenna. Surrounded by mountains and stunning scenery, Lake Como offers a peaceful escape from the city and unforgettable photo opportunities. Full-day tour from Milan usually include transportation and a boat cruise, with prices ranging between $90 and $180 per person. Number 5. Sforza Castle and Museum Tour. Finish your Milan adventure at the impressive Sforza Castle, once home to powerful dukes and now one of the city's most important historical landmarks. Explore beautiful courtyards, fascinating museums, and priceless works of art, including Michelangelo's final sculpture. After your visit, enjoy a relaxing walk through the nearby Sempione Park. Castle admission typically costs between $10 and $20, while guided tour usually range from $25 to $50 per person. Before you go, if you'd like to experience any of the tour and activities featured in this video, be sure to check the description below. I've included Get Your Guide and Viator booking links for each experience, so you can compare prices, read verified traveler reviews, check availability, and book your tour in just a few clicks. If you enjoyed this guide, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more travel videos featuring the world's top destinations. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next adventure.